वीज़ा नहीं मिलता है, मिलेगा अगर लोन ले रहे हैं तो. VMX Scholars help students with both scholarships as well as with education loan because we are funded by Government of India. So we started with SBI, Bank of Baroda and other public sector banks.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel The Italian Diaries, and today I have a very special guest, Damini. She is the CEO and also the co-founder of We Make Scholars. I'm glad that she's on our channel. So thank you so much, Damini, for joining.
Thanks, Meghna. Thanks for having me here. It was a pleasure talking to you, before the session, over the call, and, while recording this. So just a brief about myself. I'm Damini. I'm one of the co-founders at We Make Scholars. So We Make Scholars, I started it after I went to UK as a student back in 2012. So it was, long ago. So I got 100% scholarship for my masters, which, covered my entire tuition fee. It provided me with the flight tickets, the visa expenses, and also a monthly stipend of about £1,000 for the living expenses like food, accommodation. So after I landed in the UK, a lot of my friends started asking, how did you get such a large scholarship? So just one add on here is that not just to UK, I also applied for scholarships to Germany, Netherlands, and places like that in Europe, and I did get a few in Europe as well, but those were like only between like 30% to 50%. So I didn't want to take that up because this one was 100% in UK. So yeah, so I when a lot of people started asking, how did you get such a scholarship, can you help us with finding one? So that's when me and my co-founder Arjun, we started a Facebook group by the name Scholarship. So we just used to put the information, the notification of scholarships over there for all globally, all the different countries where international students can get scholarships. And then you won't believe that within 1 year we had about 50,000 people as members in that group, and there used to be hundreds of comments, people asking, because I think scholarships is an area which a lot of people want to know, and they always feel that there is not enough information at one single. Then we started WeMakeScholars.com in 2015. Though we started as a scholarship search engine, we very soon realized, like by 2016 mid, that a lot of students are facing issue with student loans also. So I'm sure you are aware of how banks in India works, right? You were brought up in India. So banks in India, they are mostly, if we talk about public sector banks, they are very lethargic. The experience when students walk into them, they are not very welcoming, and also the process time, it takes forever. So we realized that we should solve that problem as well, and that's when in 2017 January we started working with some of the large banks in the country. Mostly we started with government banks because we are funded by Government of India. So we started with SBI, Bank of Baroda, and other public sector banks. And as of now, if you ask me, We Make Scholars help students with both scholarships as well as with education loans. So that's briefly about what I do.
Thank you. Yeah. So actually, just I want to tell you this, that I received merit scholarship when I came here to study at University of Pisa, and I checked the same scholarship that is in risk management from your website on We Make Scholars. And I was really very amazed to see that there are so many opportunities to apply for scholarships, and you can get free education, you can be paid for your tuition fees, for your food, and for accommodation. So do you want to add something that how We Make Scholars has a different range of scholarships for students who want to study in Italy?
So Meghna, see the scholarships on the portal, just to give you a quick number. So we have more than 26,000 scholarships. Now these scholarships are offered not just by universities. These are scholarships which comes from trust, foundations, government bodies, and all different bodies put together at one single place. So what happens is mostly students are not aware of these scholarships because on the university website they can only find the scholarships which are provided by that university. Okay, some university link, like they mention external scholarships and link it to our website also, but then most of the university websites, they only mention the scholarship which they are providing. So I think the first thing which students should be aware of is that there are so many scholarships which are not offered by the university also, from other sources. So they should do their research, and they can come on to We Make Scholars and check the list. Now coming to your question on what are the different scholarships, so there are actually mainly two different kinds of scholarships which exist. One are like, need based scholarship. The first type is where the someone whose family income is not very great, and they can show with the income certificate that their family is not earning very high income. Generally the criteria is like 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. So people who fall below that category, those are the need based scholarship. A lot of ministries have those kind of scholarships as well. Now the second category is the merit based scholarship, which you mentioned the one which you got. Now merit based scholarship is primarily given on the merit of the student, but again I want people to have a very clear idea. It's not that only if you have more than 90% you can get merit based scholarship. So it's a relative thing. So let's say if a university has about 50 scholarships on merit basis, right? So now they are going to pick up the top 50 students by merit. By merit I mean the academics as well as the extracurricular and everything put together. Now for you to be in the top 50, you don't know what is the competition, right? I mean, you can be with 75%, you can be with 78%, okay, in your undergrad or let's say 12th or whatever, but maybe the competition, the other 50 students which they had to pick were all in that same range. So then you also get picked up for that scholarship, right? So I think that's what students need to understand, that if you're matching the basic eligibility criteria of a scholarship, go ahead and apply for it. Don't think that, okay, am I meritorious, or do I fit in the criteria and things like that.
This is a very important point, because we have this thing in our mind that studying abroad means expensive. Only people from higher income family can only afford it. But you have seen that, you have yourself experienced, you have got scholarships, and you have this website which is helping so many students out there, and it is just narrowing the gap between the students and the affordable education. So really I'm like very thankful to you as well, that you're making so big difference and help to all those students who cannot afford study abroad.
Yeah, thank you, Meghna. Thanks for your words of appreciation. It really means a lot.
Another aspect of studying abroad is loan part. We have seen the scholarship. Now let's talk more about the loan part. How easy or difficult it is for the students to get a loan, because there are so many formalities the student has to do. And for me, I have experienced in India कि loan milna is not easy for the student, especially when you want to take loan of 7 to 8 lakhs. The bank say no, it's a like very less amount, and we don't want to give you this much lesser amount of loan. So उसके ऊपर क्या कहना चाहते हो आप? Like how you can help, or we make scholar help students in getting loan.
Okay, so just a little background on that, Meghna. See, loans दो तरीके के होते हैं. Secured loans जो collateral के साथ मिलते हैं, और unsecured loans जो बिना collateral के मिलते हैं. ठीक है, तो students can apply for both the kinds of loans. ठीक है, तो जैसे अगर हम बात करें कि इटली में जो top universities हैं, top big schools mostly like SDA Bocconi, I'm gonna name few. Excuse me if my Italian the words it is not very easy to pronounce. Yeah, so SDA Bocconi hai, Scuola Normale Superiore di Pisa is one of the university. I was just checking before coming for this video, and then Politecnico di Milano, and then we have ESCP Business School Turin. So these are very top schools. इनके लिए तो banks 40 lakhs तक unsecured भी देने के लिए ready हैं, ठीक है, and VMEX scholars can help you with the entire process. अब अगर मतलब I just named 4, but then there are a few more, and उसके अलावा if the university or the institute is not very top, let's say Lewis Business School, LUISS, right? So Lewis Business School is there, and Sapienza University of Rome is there, University of Pisa where you went, University of Bologna. So all these universities, which MIB Business School also. So these are the universities for which at least 20 lakhs without collateral is possible. Now you were asking me कि अगर 7 to 8 lakhs का लोन लेना है तो कैसे लेना है, तो I am telling you कि इतना ज़्यादा unsecured loan भी possible है अगर if the student is going for an MBA or a management program and the fees is actually on the higher end this much, and even beyond that. So I told you 20 lakhs, but अगर किसी को 25-30 भी try कर सकते हैं. Now this is about the unsecured loan. अभी बात करें अगर हम secured loan की, like where people have to put collateral, so उसमें there is no amount limit. आपको कम चाहिए, आपको 7-8 चाहिए, आपको ज़्यादा चाहिए, you need 1 crore also, you know, it just directly depends on the collateral if you're going for a secured loan. And unsecured में I told you the limit. Now 7.5 lakh का unsecured is definitely, you know, all the banks, public banks have to offer. The process is little cumbersome when it comes to public banks, but with VMake Scholars, if the student is applying, we can help them with the entire process, you know, right from the eligibility check, documents के बारे में बताना, बैंक से बात करना, कुछ इशू होता है, एंड जब तक उनको मतलब लोन सैंक्शन मिले, डिसबर्समेंट मिले, एवरीथिंग। और एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे मैं ऐड करना चाहती हूँ, नॉट जस्ट दी प्रोसेस हेल्प, VMake Scholars का वन एडिशनल थिंग, you know, why people come and apply to us is the interest rate. What, you know, they can get via VMake Scholars is nothing, you know, closer to what they can get directly. So because we work with banks at a very large scale, ठीक है, so even for like a bank like SBI, उनका 1/3 of their business comes through VMake Scholars. तो जब हम इतनी ज़्यादा applications करते हैं, so banks, of course public sector banks can't negotiate for partners, but I'm just giving you a reference that इतना ज़्यादा business जब हम करते हैं private sector banks and NBFCs के लिए, they give us lower interest rates which are at least 1 to 2% lesser than what they offer to students if the student comes directly. So I think these are the reasons that, you know, where we can help: amount, interest rate, process, everything.
Thank you so much for explaining the whole process very smoothly. So now my question is, like, if a student want to contact you or take help from you, how they can approach you?
Okay, so they can come on to our website. So there is a request a call back link which I'll give you. I think you can add in the video description. So people can just request a call back on that. Then what happens is we assign them a financial officer from our end. So जिस भी part of India से the student is there, तो मतलब अगर वो तमिलनाडु से हैं तो एक तमिल financial officer, if they are from Delhi then वहाँ का financial officer, so that person will get in touch and then that person will stay in touch with the student until the end. तो उस person का job क्या होता है? एलिजिबिलिटी चेक करना. सो फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर्स आर कम्प्लीटली ट्रेंड ऑन बैंक का सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया. सो दे इवेल्युएट योर प्रोफाइल, दे टेल यू कि ये वाले ऑप्शंस में आपका हो पाएगा, ये वाले बैंक्स आप ट्राई ही मत करो बिकॉज दीज आर द रीजंस यू वोंट बी एबल टू गेट इट. ठीक है, एंड देन दे हेल्प यू विद द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, चेकलिस्ट प्रोवाइड करेंगे पूरा डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का. देन बैंक में अगर आप सबमिट करते हो, अगर पब्लिक बैंक है, और अगर प्राइवेट एंड एनबीएफसी है तो ऑनलाइन आप अपलोड करते हो. तो देन आफ्टर दैट बैंक की साइड से कुछ भी कंसर्न होता है, दे विल टॉक टू द बैंक एंड देन टेक इट फॉरवर्ड अंटिल आपका लोन सैंक्शन हो जाए, एंड उसके बाद जब डिसबर्समेंट भी हो जाए तो तब तक दे विल बी इन टच विद द स्टूडेंट.
इट रियली इज लाइक अ हैसल फ्री प्रोसेस है पूरा, लग रहा है. और
मेघना, उसमें एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ आई वॉन्ट टू ऐड कि एवरी सर्विस ऑफ VMake Scholars इज़ कम्प्लीटली फ्री. चाहे वो स्टूडेंट हमारी वेबसाइट में स्कॉलरशिप देखने आए, चाहे वो लोन अप्लाई करने के लिए आए, बिकॉज वी आर फंडेड बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ IT गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. तो हमारे सारी सर्विसेज स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कम्प्लीटली फ्री है.
जो फ्री एजुकेशन है या फिर स्कॉलरशिप्स है या जो बेनिफिट्स है स्टूडेंट्स को मिलते हैं, दे आर देयर. इट्स ओनली द मैटर ऑफ कि आप आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं कर पा रहे हो. लाइक यू आइडेंटिफाई फ्यू इयर्स बैक. Okay, so now you are solving the problems of all those students. So I think in the same way now also they can take help from your like VMake Scholars. They can go to your website and they can check all the most of, like, I mean, should I say like most of the scholarship or all the scholarship?
So Meghna, I can tell you one thing, 95% of the scholarships which are offered to students from any of the bodies, they will be able to find it on VMake Scholars. 5% मैं उसलिए छोड़ रही हूँ because कई बार होता है कि अपडेट मिलने में टाइम लग जाता है, like, you know, a week's time or something, but 95% scholarship it is there on the.
और काफ़ी बार ये होता है कि जो इटालियन यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट से इतना ज़्यादा यूज़र फ्रेंडली नहीं होती है, तो आप स्टूडेंट्स ना स्कॉलरशिप फाइंड आउट नहीं कर पाते. एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है. और जब तक उनको स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में पता चलता है, बाय दैट टाइम द डेडलाइन इज ऑलरेडी गॉन. So I think if they will go to VMake Scholars, they can check all the scholarships. They can check which is available in Italy and they can apply for that. And plus they can also get a support on loan part. So what else I think they need?
ओके, जस्ट आई थिंक एक क्वेश्चन आता है जनरली, यू नो, पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू इटली, उनकी साइड से कि वीज़ा नहीं मिलता है, मिलेगा अगर लोन ले रहे हैं तो उस पर भी आई वांटेड टू क्लैरिफाई दैट कि अगर मतलब कोई यूनिवर्सिटी इंसिस्ट करती है और जनरली, यू नो, इटालियन एम्बेसी इंसिस्ट करती है कि द फंड्स शुड बी इन स्टूडेंट्स अकाउंट, तो वो भी जो चैलेंज है वो हमने लेंडर्स से, यू नो, बात करके सॉल्व कर लिया है. दैट, यू नो, इफ द स्टूडेंट इज गोइंग टू इटली, वी नो दैट, यू नो, डायरेक्टली लोन सैंक्शन लेटर इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. in majority of the cases, okay, अगर top university में जा रहे हैं generally they don't face that issue, but अगर कोई student बोलता है कि I'm gonna, you know, I might be facing this issue, तो बैंक पूरा का पूरा आपका loan they can disburse it to your savings account and you can directly show that savings account का you know statement while you are going for visa, तो वो issue भी आपको नहीं आएगा even when you are taking a loan.
Wow, it's really very impressing because ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ना कि वीजा मिलने के लिए इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि आपके अकाउंट में लोन का अमाउंट डिस्पर्स होना चाहिए. सो ये एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है स्टूडेंट. आई थिंक बहुत बहुत हेल्प होगा स्टूडेंट्स के. So this services that We Make Scholar is providing, it's really gonna help so many students out there. So Damini, just we are about to finish. Thank you so much again for giving time. Just would you like to add some tips?
Okay. So I think मेघना उतना बड़ा कुछ नहीं है. I just wanted to give some basic tips. I think जिसमें students you know they mess up. तो एक चीज़ तो ये है कि start early. See scholarships जो अप्लाई करते हैं like the scholarship I applied for, उसका deadline was 15 months before the course start date. ठीक है, तो लोगों को लगता है कि पहले एडमिशन ले रहे हैं उसके बाद स्कॉलरशिप का अप्लाई करें, बट दैट इज एक्चुअली नॉट ट्रू. सो यू कैन गेट मोस्ट ऑफ द नॉन यूनिवर्सिटी स्कॉलरशिप जो ट्रस्ट फाउंडेशंस वगैरह से मिलती है, दैट डजंट रिक्वायर एन एडमिट. ठीक है, तो वो आपके पास्ट अकेडमिक्स पे देते हैं. तो मेनी ऑफ दो स्कॉलरशिप्स यू कैन अप्लाई इवन विदाउट हैविंग अ एडमिट लेटर. So that's one thing that you know start early. The second thing is most of ये जो scholarship students apply करेंगे उसका result आएगा जून जुलाई मंथ में, ठीक है, और मैक्सिमम मई मंथ में. तो स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू गो फॉर देयर इनटेक, दे हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर वीज़ा. तो लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट दे डू इज दे कीप वेटिंग फॉर द स्कॉलरशिप रिजल्ट. उसमें क्या होता है उनका वो टाइम मिस हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो जब तक उनको स्कॉलरशिप का रिजल्ट आता है, बिकॉज सी आई टोल्ड यू ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग ओनली 5% पीपल गेट स्कॉलरशिप. ठीक है, रिमेनिंग ऑल हैव टू गो फॉर अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ फंड. सो व्हाट हैपन, ये स्टूडेंट्स वेट करते रहते हैं. लास्ट मिनट में उनको अगर रिजेक्शन आ जाता है, देन दे स्टार्ट रशिंग फॉर लोन ऑप्शंस. उस में क्या होता है कि जब व्हेन यू आर रशिंग ना, द लेंडर ऑल्सो नोज यू आर रशिंग, तो वो ना आपको ज़्यादा आपको एक्सपेंसिव वाले ऑप्शन पे एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, तो लास्ट मिनट रश में तो आई वुड जस्ट टेल स्टूडेंट्स कि ठीक है थोड़े पैसे आपके वेस्ट होंगे अगर आपने पहले लोन के लिए अप्लाई किया और बाद में स्कॉलरशिप भी मिल गई आपको, तो बट एक बैकअप रखना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सो दैट यू डोंट मिस दैट वीज़ा टाइम और आपका पूरा इंटेक ना मिस हो जाए. तो वही है चीज़ कि आप लोन के लिए साइमल्टेनियसली अप्लाई कर दो जब आप स्कॉलरशिप के लिए कर रहे हो. अगर आपको पता है कि सेल्फ फंड इज़ नॉट एन ऑप्शन, ठीक है, तो आप जब स्कॉलरशिप के लिए अप्लाई करते हो साथ में लोन के लिए भी अप्लाई कर दो. एंड एट द एंड अगर आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिलता है यू कैन कम्प्लीटली क्लोज ऑफ द लोन विदाउट टेकिंग एनी थिंग, विदाउट एनी चार्जेस. और अगर नहीं मिलती है एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम यू विल बी सिक्योर्ड कि चलो ठीक है लोन तो है एंड यू नो यू कैन गो फॉर द वीज़ा बेसिस दैट. So this is the tip I want to tell everyone ki start early and maintain that timeline. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much Damini for all these tips, for sharing your experience, letting my viewers know that how they can use even loan to get a study visa for Italy. So yeah, thank you so much for coming, for taking out time, and viewers please you can comment your questions if you have any, and do check the We Make Scholar website. I will put the link in the description.
So thanks Meghna, thanks for calling me, and I hope that it will be helpful for students to find scholarships and loans. I am looking forward to that, and it's always a pleasure to talk to students in this way. So thanks a lot. Yeah, bye bye.
Bye. Ta-ta.